on, Naomi. You got a sticker on your foot. Can you say ma? Ma. Hey Gideon, pull out your sword. Awesome. Who are you going to protect? You're going to protect Madison? Princess Madison? What about Princess Naomi? Are you going to defend them? Yes. For the Lord and for Gideon. Right? Yes. You are Gideon. What's your full name? Gideon. What Michael Sheep?
B. Michael Sheep.
Gideon Michael Sheep. Hey, what's your name? You don't know your name? Can I call you Rufus? Oh, look, it's Rufus. Naomi, we're going to call him Rufus. Can you say ma? Ma. Naomi. Mama.
I'm Martha.
Ma.
I'm Martha, Mama.
You're a monster. I thought you were a knight.
No.
What you been doing today?
No.
You don't know? What have you been doing today? Oh, don't eat the sticker. Ew. Say,
I want Super Y.
You like Super Y? Okay.
I
Swing!
That is George.
Curious George, yay! You gonna get him, Naomi? Hello. Hi. Oh, you kept your balance. Where are you going? Where are you going? Good job! Yay, Naomi!